1. Depleting hepatic glycogen. The concept of depleting hepatic glycogen is crucial when understanding why intermittent fasting is effective for burning fat. Let's break this down in simpler terms. Imagine glycogen as stored carbohydrate energy in the liver and muscles. Think of the liver as a reservoir of carbohydrates available for the body to use when needed. The body's carbohydrate reserves are gradually used during fasting, especially from the liver's glycogen stores. This depletion of hepatic glycogen is significant because it shifts the body's energy from carbohydrates to fats. When the body runs low on its carbohydrate supply, it starts tapping into fat stores for energy. This transition from burning carbohydrates to burning fat enables the body to burn fat faster during intermittent fasting. It's important to note that this process takes time to happen. It usually takes 12 to 24 hours of fasting to deplete hepatic glycogen and kickstart fat burning significantly. 2. Reducing insulin levels. Another primary reason intermittent fasting is effective for fat loss is its impact on insulin levels. Insulin is a critical hormone in regulating blood sugar levels and facilitating the storage of nutrients, including carbohydrates and fats. When you eat, especially foods high in carbohydrates, insulin is released to help transport glucose, sugar, into cells for energy or storage. However, insulin also has a storage-promoting effect on fats. When insulin levels are elevated, the body is less likely to burn stored fat because it's focused on using available glucose for energy. This is where intermittent fasting comes in. By extending periods without eating, you naturally reduce insulin levels. Lower insulin levels increase the body's ability to access and utilize stored fats for energy. This allows fat cells to release their stored energy, increasing fat burning. Essentially, reduced insulin levels create an environment that's conducive to fat loss. 3. Upregulating fat-burning hormones. Intermittent fasting not only affects insulin levels, but also profoundly impacts hormones that regulate fat metabolism. One key player in this process is human growth hormone. It is a hormone produced by the pituitary gland that plays a role in growth, cell repair, and, notably, fat metabolism. Fasting increases human growth hormone production, particularly during more extended fasting periods. This rise in human growth hormone levels significantly impacts fat burning. Higher levels of human growth hormone promote the breakdown of stored fats, making them available for energy consumption. Additionally, it helps preserve lean muscle mass, preventing muscle loss during the fat-burning process. Even shorter fasting periods, such as 16 to 20 hours, can lead to notable increases in human growth hormone levels. It means that even if you're not doing extended fasts, you still benefit from this hormone's fat-burning effects. 4. Prolonging fat-burning periods. One of the intriguing aspects of intermittent fasting is its ability to extend the duration of fat-burning periods. Picture this: when you eat, your body switches from fat-burning to storing mode as it processes the incoming nutrients. Frequent meals, typical of many modern diets, keep your body in this storing mode for much of the day. On the other hand, intermittent fasting, particularly longer fasting windows, breaks this cycle. When you're not eating, your body transitions into fat-burning mode, depleting stored glycogen. The longer you can maintain this state, the more fat you burn. For instance, a 16-hour fasting window gives your body more time to utilize stored fat for energy before you break your fast. By skipping a meal or delaying your first meal of the day, you're maximizing the time spent burning fat. This extended fat-burning period is a crucial reason why intermittent fasting can lead to faster fat loss. 5. Enhancing insulin sensitivity and leptin signaling. Intermittent fasting goes beyond just influencing insulin levels, it also enhances insulin sensitivity. With reduced insulin resistance, cells become more responsive to insulin's actions. This improved insulin sensitivity has a dual effect on fat burning. Firstly, when cells are sensitive to insulin, nutrients like glucose are more efficiently taken up, reducing the need for excessive insulin secretion. This results in less fat storage and a greater likelihood of using fat stores for energy. Secondly, enhanced insulin sensitivity positively impacts leptin, which regulates hunger and satiety. Leptin signals the brain when you're full, preventing overeating. However, leptin signaling can be impaired in insulin resistance conditions, leading to persistent hunger and overconsumption. Intermittent fasting's ability to improve insulin sensitivity helps restore proper leptin signaling, making it easier to control appetite and consume fewer calories. This creates a favorable environment for fat loss, as caloric intake is naturally reduced without constant feelings of hunger. There you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of the remarkable fat-burning benefits that intermittent fasting brings to the table. With a deeper understanding of these mechanisms, you're better equipped to embark on your journey toward improved health and body composition. If you found these insights valuable and are eager to explore the world of effective fat loss, don't forget to hit that like button and share this content with others who might benefit. For more in-depth tips and techniques, be sure to subscribe to our channel.